Sometimes you have to let go of what you thought your life was supposed to look like and learn how to grow through what it actually is.
She a bad bitch immediately before she a mother. Hello.
Hey girlies, welcome back to the channel. Today we are hosting a Pilates class. I recently started a social club in December 2025. It is called Sisters in Real Life or Sisters IRL, really to make friends and also bridge the gap for other women to meet in the city. Right now I am getting ready for Pilates in the city. It is our Pilates and mocktail event. It's gonna be so cute. I feel like, oh no, okay, I have to take these pants off because I cannot mess up these pants right now. I can, no. I just got these pants. I'm just getting ready. I'm gonna do my makeup, something, I always say I'm gonna go for something light and then I end up beating my face. So I'm just gonna do whatever I feel like.
We've been done long before it all begun. Still can't give it up. Lead me on, but leave before the morning comes. Even though it's what we want, can't keep it up.
I am like not feeling these bangs anymore. I'm kind of over it. I'm about to just rock out like this. And what about it? And what about it? What about it?
Lead me on, but leave before the morning comes. Even though it's what we want, can't keep it.
Lately, I've been really leaning into community and not just being around people, but also creating spaces where people are able to feel good. And honestly, pouring into other women has low-key been pouring back into me. So thank you, girls. We're going to see the trucks. Good morning. So today we are going to see, the trucks. We're going to the Monster Jam, because apparently I say Munster. We are headed there. It is like 10:12. It's kind of early for Butters, not gonna lie. We usually like just be getting up, making breakfast at this time for real. So, you know, he's like, what the hell is going on? Let's... Oh, he touched me with time. I think the hardest thing that I'm learning right now is that things don't have to fall apart in order to shift. It's easy to fall into a toxic mindset if you are looking at things from a place of lack rather than new beginnings and a brand new start. Just because things didn't work out doesn't mean that you won't get your happy ending. So yeah, this is what life looks like right now, and honestly, I'm just happy that we're coming together as a family to create memories.
He's over here eating some boiled peanuts. There you go. Whoa. Let me see. Let me get out. Wait, open. Whoa, dude, we're freaking outside. It's a Monster Jam. Thank you.
At All Star Monster and use hashtag All-Star.
Oh no, I got the extra spicy.
That's just the top.
Oh. Cheers. Bring it down. Cheers. My nails.
be in the wrong way, break you off.
Wow, what a freaking pro. You're a professional. Butters is filming right now. What do you have to say? What do you have to say, Butters? Say ay ay ay. Say ay ay ay. It's hailing outside and it's what? 70 degrees? Oh my goodness. It's 76 degrees, but it's hailing. Are you serious? This is crazy, Zaza. It's raining. Say rain. Good morning, you guys. So I have had my sewing in for a few weeks and it's definitely time to wash the hair. I need some of this product, oils, just everyday residue that gets trapped in your hair. I need it washed out because it's nothing worse than having dirty hair and then it rubbing against your face constantly. So yeah, it literally just kind of disgusts me. So I need to wash my hair. But as you can see, the hair it's been fresh out the bonnet and no tangles. Let me show you guys the products that I'm going to be using for my bundles. I'm going in with the Elle Vibe by L'Oreal. This is their glycolic glossing system. I love using these on my bundles just because it gives it like more of like a shine to the hair, a nice like healthy glow, if you will.
Okay, but I'm always putting the girls on, and I'm not even talking about skincare or hair care. I am talking about motherhood, because I hear a lot of women say they can't wait to have kids, and I'm like, have you really lived yet? Like, have you traveled solo or with a group or even with your husband? Tried new things, done something that scares you? Just experience life as you, because the moment you have a child, everything shifts. Your routine changes, your priorities change, even the way you move changes. You can still show up for yourself, you can still pour into yourself, but it's different. And I think more people should be honest about that. Like, yes, our children are blessings, but motherhood will change you, and I'm learning how to embrace that version of me while still holding on to myself too. So let me be the one to tell you, live your life, be selfish while you can. I'm making space for myself again, trying new things, saying yes to more, letting life feel exciting again. Because this season isn't just about adjusting, it's also about expanding.
Okay guys, we are in the back of the Puro Sangue. It is this lovely 4-door SUV, a Ferrari. Super cute.
Okay, this one.
My girl is driving. Ty is driving.
Good?
Good, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, Ty.
This is so crazy. I've never drove like.
Okay, y'all. So I just had to run into TJ Maxx to get my friend's daughter a birthday gift. I just realized that we're an hour 20 minutes away from her house, so I'm gonna have to run in the house and change this damn outfit. Oh my gosh, today is just a day. Like, I'm so tired. This weekend I've just been out. I need a minute to just sit down. Literally, because we're so far from the city, it's like I was just in Roswell and then I had to drive all the way back to Loganville, and then I had to drive, now I gotta drive all the way to Winston. But yeah, nonetheless, I am happy to be out and about and getting, you know, out the house often, because I could not imagine if I wasn't, you know. It's nice to say, ooh, I need a break from socializing, rather than, oh my gosh, I wish I was outside, I wish I was doing something, you know. So yeah, I'm grateful. I'm just tired. But let me show y'all what I got her daughter. So I got this little makeup reset, you know. It's a cute little bag,
And I got her a sketchbook. I'm driving, so I'm not even gonna do all that. I got her a sketchbook with some markers because she loves to draw. And I got her a little pink, like almost Stanley, or just like a Stanley type cup. Yeah, super cute. I know she loves pink. So yeah, hopefully she loves her gifts. I'm excited. We will be getting there at like 5 o'clock. That's so bad. The party starts at 4. And I know people be like, well, parties don't start on time. I like to be on time to parties. Party ends at 6. I just pray that Zion is good during this drive. I am way too tired to be listening to crying for an hour 20 minutes, you know. I might have to sit down, breastfeed him for a little minute, and then we go in the car because, yeah, I've been gone since like 9 a.m. or yeah, since 10 a.m. So, and it's currently 3 o'clock, so I'm gonna give him some boob and then just, yeah. Go, get it, baby, get it, baby, get it. Come on, baby, baby. Hi, you guys. We are back outside. We back outside. But today we have a little guest with us. Say hi, Zazai.
No.
Oh, no. Okay, he said no. I'm respecting his nose, okay? We are meeting up with our friend, Kyra. We're headed to a matcha pop-up shop, so we're excited.
Hey, vlog! We outside for the bougie matcha. Okay, we had to come get it in for show. My girl face is beat. Okay, she a bad bitch immediately before she a mother. Hello.
I'm gonna get you. That's how I'm gonna get you. That's how I'm gonna get you. Boy. Wipe your hands. I think one thing I'm really learning right now is that I only want meaningful, well, I'm not just learning this now, but I'm really taking these steps to develop these types of friendships. And it's the friendships where you can really like say how you truly feel, and there's no fluff, there's no, oh, I'm good, how are you? Because honestly, I'm the type of person who, you can ask me how are you and I'll say, oh, I'm fine, and I am fine. But if you ask me the right question, I might just break down. And I think we all need spaces where we feel safe enough to break down and just be real, you know, and have those real raw conversations. I mean, I'm excited for what's next, but at the same time, this isn't easy. This isn't something that I personally had planned for myself. I have to release the idea of perfection. And sometimes that looks like letting go of the life that you expected from yourself. And that part hurts too. You do not have to carry all of that by yourself. I don't care how strong you are. You need somebody. And I need somebody. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the next vlog.